Hello, before we get to the lecture, I want to talk about your final because we are in week 15 and we have 2 more weeks of classes, so week 16 and week 17 of class, and then the week after that is going to be finals week. So we need to talk about your final. So I will make available this little module, week 18 module, because that's technically the last week of not class, but it's finals week. And so here is the final info page and the extra credit assignment page, our last extra credit as well. So let's go through each of these. So here is information about your final. It's going to be from same kind of range as a midterm. It's going to be from 2:30 on the 15th, that's a Monday, to 8:30 on the 16th of May, that's the Tuesday. So here is 15th and 16th, Monday and Tuesday. That's when I promised it was gonna be at the start of finals week, the Monday or the Tuesday between this range. Okay, that's when the date's gonna be. Please remember that. And as usual, you can start whenever you want. And it's a final, so finals are supposed to be 2 hours long here. So you're gonna get 2 hours to take it if you'd like. Though for this class, our final is only worth as much as a midterm, and so I'm not gonna make it super hard. I'm gonna give you a similar style or amount of questions to a midterm. And so you can just think of it as like your third midterm if you'd like. You'll just have extra time. You're welcome. So that's that, and then here are the topics that you should expect to see. Because it's a midterm, I'm not gonna make it all, it's like midterm in weight. I'm not gonna make it like, what's the word? Comprehensive, I guess is it. I'm going to test you on these things, okay? These things only. So I guess we build on top of stuff that we discovered previously and that we learned before, but this is going to be the bulk of what I test you on, these ideas from these chapters, homeworks, and lectures. And yeah, it will, just like the second midterm, it will have multiple choice questions and short answer questions, and same rules apply as usual. You know the drill. And so here's a sample final from last time I taught the class. Take a look at that and hopefully it will help you study. So that's the final. Please yell at me if you have any questions about that. And then the last thing that I want to talk to you about is your extra credit assignment. This is going to be your last possible extra credit assignment. It's due the midnight before the final comes out, so the Sunday night, the 14th of May, at 11:59 p.m. if you want to turn it in. This one is worth up to 5% extra credit if you would like. As usual, no late submissions. This is all the same as before, so you're going to make another review video if you'd like, and do all the same rules. They all apply as they did last time for the last extra credit. So give me a bunch of examples, talk about a bunch of examples that might appear on the final. Help your peers by coming up with some good ones and talking about them and going through all those questions and solving them. And yeah, just make a nice video that will help yourself study and then also your peers study. And if you would like a quarter of the extra credit, 1.25%, make a 10-minute video. If you want 2.5% extra credit, make a 20-minute video. But if you want the full 5, if you would like to do that, please make at least a 40-minute video. I think that is all fair, just doubling the old one. So yeah, just make sure you're not reading off my slides as usual. Do something new. Check with me if you have any questions. But I will more or less trust whatever you make to be worth it. So please make a review video if you're interested, and let me know if you need any help with that. So that will be due the Sunday before the final comes out, so May 14th. And yeah, that's it. That is all that I wanted to talk about as far as the final is concerned. Please yell at me if you have any questions about that. And now on to the main lecture.